called the Beyblade Random Booster Volume 3 Unboxing 1. So here we got the random booster. So, I'll show you the back. So, now I'm pretty sure that, random booster finally. So anyways, this comes with Clay Aries, Clay Pegasus, Mad Sagittario, Heat Bull, One Wolf, Heat Leone, Mad Bull, and One Sagittario. So now I'm gonna take it out of the box and let's see if we find Aries. Just wanted to make sure. So anyways, let me just get it out now. See what we got here. Come on. We have gotten Heat Leone. I'm pretty sure. Let me see. Okay, let me just leave this here. I'm just gonna check on here. Let's see. Yes, we have got Heat Leone. Yes, we have got Heat Leone. Finally! I don't know why I'm so excited. Anyways, now I'm going to get the stickers so I can show you it. Here we got the face mold, which is Leone, plain color, white, black transparent color, heat. And here we have got the H145, the horns. And here we got the tip, which is S. And here are those stickers. So now, I'm going to put on those stickers and then a test launch. So we got Heat Leone back. So now let's do that test launch. Okay. There we go. Again, don't blame me, it's not my fault that the Beyblades have such light core. It's plastic. I don't know why it has to be plastic. It wasn't a good idea. They're hard to launch because I want to get them in the stadium. But still a pretty cool Beyblade, I'd have to say. Just, minus the plastic, put some metal on it. Then it's better. Just snap the Beyblade. So pretty awesome Beyblade Heat Leone. So please make sure you like this video, make it your favorite, and share. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did.